Boiled eggs are a culinary staple that have been enjoyed by cultures around the world for centuries. They are not only delicious but also pack a nutritional punch, making them a popular choice among health-conscious individuals. In this video, we will explore the versatility and numerous benefits of incorporating boiled eggs into your diet. 1. Protein powerhouse. Eggs, including boiled eggs, are often regarded as a complete protein source. They contain all the essential amino acids required by the body for various functions, including muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. 2. Essential amino acids. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids required by the body. These amino acids are necessary for various functions, including tissue repair, enzyme production, and hormone synthesis. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Boiled eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin E, iron, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and supporting various bodily functions. 4. Brain health. Choline, a nutrient found abundantly in boiled eggs, is essential for brain function and development. Choline plays a vital role in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is involved in memory and cognitive function. Including boiled eggs in your diet can provide a natural source of choline, supporting optimal brain health and cognitive function. 5. Eye health. Maintaining good eye health is crucial, especially as we age. Boiled eggs are a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are essential for the eyes. These nutrients help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions that can impair vision. By incorporating boiled eggs into your diet, you can support your eye health and maintain clear vision. 6. Weight management. Including boiled eggs in your diet can aid in weight management. The protein and healthy fats in eggs help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack and promoting satiety. 7. Heart health. Although eggs were previously believed to negatively impact heart health due to their cholesterol content, recent research suggests that moderate egg consumption can be part of a heart-healthy diet. Boiled eggs are low in saturated fat and can contribute to a balanced diet. 8. Blood sugar regulation. The protein and healthy fats in boiled eggs help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin. Including eggs in your meals can promote better blood sugar control. 9. Bone health. Eggs are a source of vitamin D, which plays a vital role in calcium absorption and bone health. Getting enough vitamin D is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 10. Skin and hair health. The nutrients in boiled eggs, such as vitamins A and E, help promote healthy skin and hair. These vitamins contribute to skin cell regeneration, moisturization, and protection against damage. Remember, while boiled eggs offer numerous benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consume them as part of a diverse range of nutritious foods.